So you landed on this video because you heard that Nowsite Marketing has new web templates. You want to see what it's all about. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, my name's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, and especially in this one. I mean, I've been here for going on 5 years, and let's break it down. All right. So Nowsite now has templates. Now, what's cool about this is that these templates are for, different niches that you might be in, and you might want to just come in right out the gate with a template for your niche and then be able to build from there. So we're going to go into this and show you what it's all about and let you see. So let's go and show you what these templates look like. So when we go and click on them, you can see right here that Nowsite took the liberty. I'm going to go ahead and move this up here for now. Took the liberty, had to already make templates in different niches. All right. So you can see right here, let's say you're in the restaurant niche. Okay. And then you say you want to use, let's say this pizza, or you had the steakhouse. So you can see the pizza one. Okay. And of course, you can edit anything on the page. Okay. Make it yours, Or let's see the steakhouse. Okay. Nice, right? Look at that. Already got the gallery. Already look at that. Look at that. How cool is that? Got the picture in the background with the call to action. Right? Good stuff here, right? I got all the social media, got your numbers. So all you would have to do at this point is just plug and play. Okay, plug and play. And I'll show you how simple that is in a minute as well. Okay, so then you go back. Let's say you're in the beauty niche. Okay, and the nice thing is that Nowsite's going to be adding to this as well. This isn't just going to stay, looking like it looks right now. Nowsite's going to be adding to these templates. So that way, eventually, it might be 10, 20, 30, 40 different hairstyles I want to pick from. How cool is this one? Look at this. Okay. And they've already, like I said, all you have to do at this point is just click and then, and then put your call to action on these buttons. Put your stuff on the see more. But for the most part, all the hard work has already been done for you, if you notice. Okay. So then we go to home, and you can see we got funnels for everything. Financing, investment, you into the, a lot of people into crypto right now and financing. So, if you needed something like that, then you already got a page to start working from. Again, like I said, all these different things can be changed. These are just basically like placeholders at this point, right? So let's say you did want to say, okay, I see a template I like. Of course, editing is still simple and easy and smooth. You just come here, hit the edit button, select any one of your templates, and then just start pretty much editing from there, just like you normally do when you are dealing with the drag and drop builder and things like that. Like right here, you can see you can drag and drop anything over from a digital business card, a custom form, headlines, list build. Like you can put all those inside of your platform. We're not gonna get into that today because we got so many videos already showcasing that. But just wanted to show you that it's real easy. That all you gotta do is just pretty much click on any one of your templates and then just open up the editor and just start editing, moving things around, changing things. If it's something that you didn't want on the page, like you wanted to change something on here, like the picture in the background or what these words say. Of course, your logo, things like that. You know what I mean? Then you can definitely go ahead and you can do so. But as you can see, like I said, Nowsite has already went and took the time to build these pages out. And this isn't just a landing page. Okay, I want to make that clear too, because if you look up here, what do you see? You see collection. You see the different tabs. You see, look at pricing. Okay, the contact form. So as you can see, this is a full-fledged website. All right, full-fledged website. Take it to your social media. You know what I mean? So again, not a landing page, but an actual website. Look, you take it to a portfolio. You got your images, your gallery. See what I mean? Already ready to go. All you gotta do at that point is just plug in your information, and you have a up and running website ready to go already. How cool is that, right? Okay, look at this. You got the pizza store and take it to your menu. You can order now. Like I said, these are the type of things that you can do with Nowsite. And which is cool is now they made these templates so that you can get started quicker and a lot simpler and easier. All right. So definitely had to bring that to your attention today and let you see what Nowsite really had to offer and what it really was all about. Okay. So you know how I go. If you're ready to get started, hit the link below. GetMoneyLikeABoss.com. What you waiting for? Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Usually people have a few questions before you're ready to jump, right? It's okay. It's okay. Call me. 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you may have. Like I said, I've been at this for over 4 years. I am the top earner in the company. Been the top earner for the last 4 years straight. So if anybody knows Nowsite, all right. So look, if you want to list all my, top income opportunities, then just text money to 702-553-3326, and you get a list of all my passive income opportunities. Or if you want to save yourself some time and trouble, see that QR code that's been sitting there the whole time? Okay, look, all you gotta do is just hit that QR code. You don't know how? Oh, you just take your phone, open up the camera, put it in front of it, and boom. Hey, the magic happens. And then a list will pop up of all the top income opportunities that I'm currently in that you can be a part of as well. If you haven't already done so, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos. And don't forget the bell as well, so you get notified right away when it uploads. And you don't have to be lost in the sauce waiting until, you just happen to log on YouTube and say, wait a minute, can I put up a video? I didn't even know. All right. That's that. I'll see you on the next video. Appreciate you. Until then, have a blessed day.